Welcome to the SLA of California Surplus Lines Information Portal. SLIP was designed to help licensed reporting brokers and staff submit and manage surplus lines policies. This video is designed to give you an overview of how to create a renewal or endorsement and help you make the most of this powerful tool. To get started, visit slip.slacal.org. Type your username and password and click Login. Then, if prompted, select your brokerage. Once you're on the home page, you can quickly create a renewal or endorsement by clicking one of these icons to access the wizards for creating a renewal or endorsement. Let's start by creating an endorsement. To add the transaction to an existing policy, search for the policy by typing the search criteria here, maybe the policy number. Now click Search. Here it is. What if you can't find the original policy? No problem. You can create an endorsement from scratch by clicking here. Okay, let's continue with adding an endorsement to an existing policy. Select the checkbox for the policy to endorse and click Create Endorsement. In the Options section of the wizard, you can view the policy or binder number for your endorsement. If you're creating a renewal, you have the option to change the policy or binder number. Now, select an option from the list for your endorsement if needed, and click Next. You'll notice the wizard automatically displays the details for the policy you're endorsing. Simply review the policy details and confirm they're correct or make the necessary changes, and click here to add transaction details. Before you begin entering transaction details, you'll need to keep in mind that SLIP does not allow you to submit transactions with alerts. There are features built into SLIP, such as the back button on each page of the Create Policy wizard and the Save for Later option that make it easy to resolve alerts before submitting your transaction. We'll take a look at these later. The transaction type defaults to either renewal or endorsement, depending on the type of transaction you're creating, but you can change the transaction type here if needed. Enter all required information for the transaction, such as the effective date, insurer name, and coverage, for example. Now, what if you need to go back to a previous screen or change your transaction options? To go back to a previous screen, just click here. If you need to change any of the transaction options, like the policy type, for example, click one of these links for the option you'd like to change. Now that the transaction details are entered, let's move on to adding supporting documents to your new transaction. In the Transaction Documents section, click here and select the document to upload from your computer. Select the document type and click Upload. Now click Next. You're almost ready to submit your new transaction to the SLA. From here, verify all the policy information is correct. If you're missing required information, SLIP alerts you here. You can click this link to review any alerts on your policy. Since SLIP does not allow you to submit a transaction with alerts, you'll need to resolve them before submitting to the SLA. What if you begin creating a renewal or endorsement and realize you need more time before submitting it to the SLA? Simple. Click here to save the transaction for later submission. When you're ready, you can easily view your unsubmitted transactions with alerts from the home page. Just click here. Then click this icon to enter missing information using the Create Policy wizard. You can see here which section has alerts and click on the corresponding tab to resolve alerts in that section. You can also use the Next and Back buttons to switch between pages. When you've entered all of the details for your renewal or endorsement and made sure all alerts are resolved, click the Submit to SLA button, verify the information is correct, and click here to confirm your submission to the SLA. As you can see, SLIP makes creating a renewal or endorsement quick and easy. Take some time to explore this powerful feature and let us know if you have any questions.